Hello, my name is Miss McKenna and I am from KidsQuest Children's Museum. And today we are going to be exploring with wind. So I have a fan that I've tilted upright. I can feel it, there's air coming out of the top. And I have a whole bunch of different materials that I found here at the museum, like rocks, leaves, feathers, cups, and a bunch of different things that we're going to test out and see if they will fly into that air. So I'm going to start with a feather. A feather is very small and very light. Let's see if the wind will push it up into the air. Are you ready? If I let go, it goes up. The feather goes up into the air. Let's try it one more time. Oh, there it went. So our feather is light enough that the wind will push it up. Let's see if the wind will push something else up. How about a scarf? This scarf is much, much bigger than our feather. Let's hold it over our fan and see if it'll go. It looks like the wind is pushing our scarf up. Let's get it to go. There we go. It's pushing our scarf up. Let's see if I let go, if it'll fly into the air. Are you ready? Just kind of fell down. Let's try that one more time. Maybe bunch it over the wind. There it went. It pushes our scarf up into the air. Let's try it one more time. We'll scrunch it up. There it goes. So our scarf, even though it's a lot bigger than our feather here, will still fly into the air. Maybe let's try something different. Let's see what happens if we use a block. A block still feels pretty light, but it's not as light as our feather, and it's not as light as our scarf. Let's see if our block will fly into the air. Are you ready? What happened? Our block didn't fly out into the air, did it? It stayed on the fan. Our block is too heavy to fly into the air. Let's see, how about a cup? A cup is pretty light, but it looks more like a block, doesn't it, than it does like a feather. So let's see if our cup will fly into the air. Okay. It looks like our fan made our cup fly into the air. It didn't fly quite as high as our feather. Let's see it next to our feather here. Let's see which one goes higher. Ready? Our cup or our feather? Oh man, our feather went really high. Our cup didn't go quite as high as our feather, so our feather went higher than our cup. I also have a rock. A rock is pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy, and it's pretty strong and solid, like our block. Did our block fly into the air? Our block didn't fly into the air. Let's see if our heavy rock will fly into the air. Ready? Did our rock fly into the air? No, our rock is too heavy and it will stay sitting on our fan. Let's try something lighter. Maybe like a leaf. We can already see that our wind is making our leaf move around. I have two different leaves here. This one is much bigger than this leaf. This leaf is bigger than this leaf. If something is bigger, will it go higher than our smaller thing with the wind? Let's see. Let's do a little experiment and see which one goes higher. Are you ready? I'm gonna let go in 1, 2, 3. So our little leaf went much higher and much faster than our bigger leaf. Does our bigger leaf still move in the wind? Let's see if it still goes. It doesn't go very high at all. Our bigger leaf doesn't go very high, but our small leaf went very high. I think we'll do one more experiment here. So, I have a coffee filter. I bet a lot of you have these at home. A coffee filter and our scarf. They look pretty similar. They're both very flat and very light, and they move easily in the wind. Our scarf is much bigger though. Let's see if our scarf or our coffee filter go higher. Are you ready? This kind of only works like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. They both were kind of the same. Let's try it one more time and see if they do anything differently. Ready? 1, 2, 3. They went about the same height. During this wind activity, your child is learning all about spatial awareness, an early math skill, by noticing that things are going either higher, lower, or the same height. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.